Right, so today I'll be showing you how to use the system cloner on your OnePlus 15. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the system cloner basically clones your entire phone so that you can have almost two phones in one with the exact same interface, and you can have some apps on one side of the phone that are not available on the other side of the phone. So basically it's like two different phones but in one piece of hardware. So this feature comes built into the phone. And so to enable it, you go to settings, and then under settings, scroll all the way down to security and privacy. Actually not down, just here, security and privacy. And then under security and privacy, scroll down and tap on system cloner. And then tap on get started. And then you're gonna have to provide your password because it has to ensure that it's you, the owner of the phone, that's creating this clone. So now once you enter the correct password, it's going to tell you to set password for system clone. You're basically going to have a different password for the cloned version of your phone. So let's go ahead and set that password up. Now I'm going to just go for the opposite of what I already have, and then you have to confirm that password, and the password has been set. So now let's tap on done to move on to the next step. So it says enroll fingerprint for the system clone. Now, of course, if you want to, you can go ahead and enroll your fingerprint. So I'm going to enroll that. And then I'm going to draw the lock screen pattern for that clone. Actually, it's a lock screen pattern for the phone, for the main part of the phone. Beg your pardon. Enter that. And then let's add a fingerprint. If you want to, you can actually register a different finger for this. Okay. So if you try to register the fingerprint that's already there, it's going to warn you the fingerprint is already added for the main system. So that's the warning you get. So go ahead and add a different finger. So I'm going to add my left thumb for this. Tap on done. And then now enter system clone. And there you go. So enter the password for the system clone. So the password for the system clone is that. And then let's go ahead and set up our system clone. I'm going to select go. And then here you have some settings for the main system. So first of all, do you want to receive notifications sent to the system clone into the main system? You can enable that or disable. And then also home screen icon, switch to the system clone by tapping a home screen icon. So that creates a home screen icon that allows you to switch to the other system. Now that's not very private because someone can see that you have a system clone on your phone. And then you have hide access to system clone. And then you have the side of the system cloner. Do you want to receive notifications sent to the main system on the cloned side? So you can enable or disable that as well. Now, also you can copy apps from the main system to the system clone if you want to. So you can just go here and then choose the apps you want to bring over to the system clone. So maybe you can have Instagram on both sides, or maybe you can have Asphalt, some of the games. You can do whatever you want. Now, the beauty of the system cloner is the fact that you can have different apps on one side that are not on the other side. Okay, so let's go and try to go to the Google Play Store. So you can see it says sign in. That means the Google account I'm using on the main system is not available here in the system clone. So you can actually have two different Google accounts running on the main system and on the cloned system. So it's actually like two different people, two different phones in one piece of hardware. So that's it. So now to switch between the main system and the cloned system, just lock your screen. And then when you go to unlock your phone, depending on which fingerprint you use, it's going to load the relevant system. So you can see it has loaded the main system that has all my apps, the one I've been using, the one I'm signed into with my account. But if I lock and then unlock with the other password, it takes me to the cloned system. So two different phones, two different fingerprints. It's just brilliant. So whatever you do with this information is up to you, really. But I'll be interested to know in the comment section what you're planning to do with this particular cloned system on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching and good luck.